So this is gonna be the last part of my going on book series, unhaul series, and finally I will finish this out today because I just can't stretch it anymore. I still have like 15 books, and so yeah, my friends are acting crazy in the background and that's making me laugh. So if I laugh in the video, that won't be my fault. Telling it already. So this is Pride and Prejudice, the famous love story that I have been wanting to read since long, and I finally have it. And so the price of this book is, so the original price of this book is $1.99 and it cost $96 only. Let's get on to the next one. The next book that I have is again a thriller. As you guys have known by now that I just love thrillers. This is The Secret We Keep by Sudeep Nagarkar, the very famous author. So I won't talk much about the book. I'm just gonna tell you guys the price, which I'm currently not getting in my diary. Oh yeah, the price of the book is $175 and I got it for how did I get it from? Okay, I got it from 120 rupees only. And just appreciate the cover a bit, yaar. Simply gonna sit up. So this is Body Myth. If you can see, then you can see that how gorgeous this cover is. And the price of this book is 500 and I got it for 200. 300 coming in. Just see, just appreciate. So the next one is again an Obanati Chakravarti book. This is A Kiss in the Rain. Sorry for talking like this anyways. So the price of this book is, I'm not getting. The price of the book is $2.99 and I got it for $1.29 only. The next book is probably the most beautiful book in my collection. This is The House That Spoke by Juhi Chopra. I need time to appreciate it. See, this is how it is. This is empty. Okay, so the price of the book is $2.99 and I got it for $1.59 only. So let's go to the next package. This was the most elaborately packed one. This is Valmiki's Women by Anand Neelakanthan, the guy who wrote Bahubali series. And so yeah, this is, I know Bahubali series is not known to most of us as book and only movie, but yeah, he was the one who wrote the Bahubali series anyway. So the price of the book was $3.99 and I got it for $1.49. I'm lit. Flipkart gives really eco-friendly packages, just that this is too big. And the book that I have is, as I was telling you, I haven't opened any book. So this is The Perfect Us by Durjay Datta, and I have been looking at this book for 2 years now. I'm looking for the price, which I'm not getting. Okay, yeah. So the price of the book is $1.99 and I got it for 104 rupees. So the next book is the one that I had to purchase last year, but I purchased this year finally. This is Esther, and I just won't try to pronounce the author's name. This is beautiful. And the price of the book basically is $4.99 and I got it for 80 something. So the next book that I have is Whereabouts by Jhumpa Lahiri. I actually accidentally purchased this book, but then again it turned out super gorgeous and I just couldn't bring myself to return it. The price of this book is again $4.99. It's an hardcover. Now I won't be able to put it back. Okay, so the price of this book is $4.99 and I got it for 280 rupees. Just 6. So the next one is again by Cecilia Ahern, and again I haven't opened the packaging and it seems too difficult for me to open right now, but you can still appreciate how gorgeous this book is. Looks like a fairy tale basically. So the price of this book is $7.99 and I don't know how much it cost in Indian rupees, but you can just more like 8 into 500. So this cost around 500 or 600 and I got it for like 98 rupees. Then again I have a packet from Flipkart finally. So this and some of the hyped about book, like my best friend's son's wedding. The plot of the book was simply hilarious. The book looks amazing. Its actual cost is 250 rupees and I got it for 105 rupees. I have patience now. So the next one is again by Navneet Chakrabarty. And when I was telling Flipkart gives eco-friendly package, then it packs its book like this in plastic covers. So never mind it. So this is half-tone hats and it real cost is 199. I got it for 104 rupees. So, and the last one that I have probably by him is Cheetos. I just love that guy. Again, it cost 199 and I got it for 104 rupees. And this is the very first, out of the 100 books, sorry, I didn't buy 100 books. Out of the 40 books, this is the first package that I got 3 books now for. Like they are gorgeous, super gorgeous. Okay, so now I'm frustrated after unpacking so many books. This is Return to Jammu and the author is V. Raghunathan. So this was a random book that I just purchased again because I just loved its blurb in the cover, and here it is. So its price is $3.99 and I got it for $97. Another of my steal deal. And then another book, and probably the last book by Cecilia Ahern, is The Marble Collector. The cost of this book is $350 and I got it for 110 rupees, which is again a steal deal. And this is a paper cover, actually, real paper cover. So I have the last 3 books. Fortunately, it's gonna be over finally. So this is You Can't Go Home Again. So the price of this book is $350 and I got it for 134 rupees. And this is beautiful. It's again a hardcover. The next book is Toffee by Sarah something. Sorry, I won't pronounce her name because I would probably pronounce it wrong. This was an amazing book about identity crisis kind of story, and it cost its real cost is $299 and I got it for $129 only. And the last book that I have is The Tattooist of I don't know how to pronounce this book name anyway, but again I think this book is just pretty. So the real price of the book is $3.99 and I got it for 95 rupees. So this finally brings me to the end of this video, and I guess this one video has the most number of books on hold. So I just hope that you guys liked it and it will be helpful in your further vlogs when you go and buy. This will give you some good suggestions and you know where to look. So if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to it. If you don't want to miss any notification from me, then please hit the bell icon. And this was a third part of the unhauling series that I had been posting since some time. So you can also go and check out the first and the second part in the description, and there is also a Kindle unhaul where I was talking about the amazing deals I got there. So also check that out. And just don't forget to subscribe if you're